1 instigator, 6 designers, 1 captain designer, 1 supply organizer, 120 tile setters, 3 pieces of wood, 18 sheets of foam, 1 roll of chicken wire, 50 pounds of glue, and 5,000 tiles, glass beads, rocks, shells, whatever can withstand the weather for 1 project, Marlin the whale. Okay, you don't want to breathe this, just like you don't want to breathe pancake mix. We have 5 bags of grout. We already used 3, so that's pretty amazing. So when we do this, mud people, you guys are all going to be mud people. Start kind of in the middle and work your way up to where the grout is already here, okay? Okay, keep going. Okay. All right, why don't you pull it out? We're going to push it right here. If everything goes smoothly, we're going to wrap it. And we'll get the ropes, and we're just going to kind of inch it along here, okay? I'm pushing. How you doing? Here, let's take a left. Woo! Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Let's get it right smack dab in the middle. Okay. Testing. Ladies and gentlemen of this fine campus of SDA, San Dieguito Academy, and I would like to introduce to you Marlin the whale. Please pull it down. Woohoo!
There was a team of students. We collaborated and we got the concept of the whale reaching out of the water.
I decided to get involved with the mosaic project because I knew that I wanted to leave a mark on SDA. Being creative, like having this time to enjoy this class and like enjoy these moments, especially having Mr. Wright as a teacher. It's just been really fun for me. And I still have 2 more years here, so I'll be able to see it all around the school.
I helped do the styrofoam at the beginning, stacking it and cutting it and gluing it. I helped put a lot of tiles on it. It's just been really fun.
I know I contributed to it and it's going to be here for years to come, so when I come back it'll be nice to see a part of me at SDA.